Have you ever considered introducing rental or resale to your brand? More and more retailers are moving towards a circular economy. Rental and resale both extend the life of an existing garment and minimize the losses experienced through managing returns. The process of transitioning may seem complex, but what if someone else overlooked and executed the transition and overall operation? Let's begin with the onboarding process. Upon joining our operations, the first step in the process is to link your website to our systems using advanced API links. This ensures that all orders placed on your website will be sent directly to our warehouse management system, maximizing efficiency. Once the garments arrive on site, discrete RFID tags are sewn into each item. The use of RFID technology allows us to track garments whilst on site and increases accuracy and efficiency further as we have the ability to scan multiple garments instantaneously. Each SKU is then added to our system and you are ready to go. Once up and running, we manage the entire reverse logistics process. Whether rented, returned or pre-loved and ready for resale, every item that arrives back on site at our facility is treated with the same delicate care. Checking. First, we scan the items collectively thanks to the integrated RFID technology. The unworn items identified by ribbons still attached are treated on a case-by-case basis. Those without ribbons are sent to the cleaning and sanitization. Each item is scanned throughout each of the following steps. Sanitization. Every item goes into our large ozone sanitization chamber. When working at full capacity, we can sanitize 30,000 garments per day. This process eradicates odors, bacteria, germs, and viruses, sanitizing garments to a medical-grade standard. Garments that are marked or stained are then treated by our laundry specialists before being cleaned in our ozone laundry machine for a more robust yet low-impact clean. The filters built in our washing machines capture hazardous microplastics and minimize water pollution. The use of ozone allows us to clean and sanitize items using minimal water and energy. Care and repair. Where necessary, garments are then passed to our expert textile specialist who repair tears, replace zips and buttons, and make light tailored adjustments. Steam. Once ready, garments travel around our facility in our state-of-the-art sortation system along to the steam tunnel. Our steam tunnel can be adjusted to suit the materials of each garment and can rapidly steam 1,500 items per hour. Protect. Once steamed, they travel again to the bagger where they are covered in a recycled poly to protect them from any particles in the air, keeping them in a pristine condition whilst in storage. This poly is 100% recycled at source. That's it, the garments are processed and ready for their next order. Fast-moving items then travel to our dynamic buffer where they remain until they are rented or ready to leave our facility once more. This dynamic buffer can store 45,000 items at any given time, and we have the capacity to extend this to 60,000. But it doesn't stop there. We have an abundance of static storage space with a current capacity of approximately 3 million items. When an order is due to leave our facility, the items travel to our packing stations where they are packed and ready for dispatch via your chosen courier. The circular economy is going to change the way we live and consume. It's the future of fashion, and ACS can help you get there with minimal risk and maximum reward. Introducing rental or resale in partnership with ACS will create an additional stream of revenue with minimal upfront investment. Our extensive R&D, resources, expertise, capacity, and environmentally friendly processes make us perfectly positioned to fulfill your circular solutions at scale. It's profitable, sustainable, innovative, and scalable. It's for the people, the planet, and economic profit. It's advanced clothing solutions. Join us.